While we can't predict what's going to happen in housing, we can try to project it. And despite what misleading headlines suggest lie ahead for the market, trusted economists and housing experts are forecasting a different 2023. However, your clients may be confused about what that really means for them and their plans, which is why this month's Video Agents Need to Record covers the thing everyone wants to know right now. What is in store for the 2023 housing market? Today, I'm taking a script on this topic from RealTalk by KCM. And you want to know my favorite part? I was able to make this video in just a few minutes without having to do any research, writing, or editing. Let me show you how I did it. Want to know what's going to happen in the housing market in 2023? Spoiler alert, it's all about inflation. There are two key factors that'll shape the 2023 market. The big one is inflation. Here's the thing. Mortgage rates rose dramatically in 2022. That was due to the Federal Reserve's actions to try to bring inflation down. While there are some signs inflation may be starting to cool, where the market goes from here really depends on the Fed's ability to get inflation under control. And if inflation continues to fall, like we've seen lately, mortgage rates likely will too. Really, if there's anything we all want right now in real estate, it's two things: stability and predictability. If inflation eases, we should see that with mortgage rates. In the meantime, some more volatility is to be expected. So, to recap, 2023 is going to be all about inflation. I'll keep following the latest information to keep you updated on what's going on. And remember, if you have more questions about the housing market or buying and selling a home this year, you can always reach out to me. One video has the potential to educate and entertain all of your sphere in just a couple of minutes. That's why it's so powerful, and that's why every agent should be doing it this year, starting now. And remember, you can make your own version of this video by using our script, or you can literally do it in minutes using RealTalk by KCM like I did. You just open the app, select any script on the latest market topics, record it using the teleprompter on your phone, and boom, it's done. It even adds visuals on screen automatically. RealTalk literally does all the work for you, no editing required ever. Plus, you can try it free for 14 days, so learn more about it at trykcm.com/realtalk.